I'm going to show you the difference between using skincare and your primer and then your foundation versus just putting foundation on your face. So I'm going to demonstrate that with my hands today, and I'm going to show you the first step that I use in my skincare process, which is Time Wise Skincare by Mary Kay. I use this 4-in-1 cleanser, or I use the Volufirm. So I mix and match, and that's the really nice thing about this skincare is that it has the same pH, and so you can mix and match different products within the line, and it will all be good for your skin. It won't cause a chemical warfare, which happens sometimes when you're mixing different products, different brands. So sometimes I use this Time Wise, which is for 18 to 30, or the Volufirm, which is for somebody that really wants to do preventative anti-aging or wants to reverse. So first we do 4-in-1. It tightens, brightens, it exfoliates, as well as cleanses and tones. So the next step is the Microderm abrasion. So the Microderm abrasion Refine, we're going to put a little bit on. A little bit goes a long way. And then we're going to extra exfoliate with aluminum oxide crystals. It's not going to damage your skin. It's just going to go in there nicely, slough off the dead skin, make room for the new skin to appear, get in there, clean out the pores, also lighten dark spots, over time diminish dark spots, and it's just a really nice exfoliant that you can do once or twice a week. So we just keep going. If you want to mix more water in it, you can. And then we will just rinse that off. I want to make sure you get all the crystals off. Nice. So then we are going to use the pore minimizer. And that's going to soothe the skin as well as minimize the pores. So we just put that nice all over. And then of course we're going to have our SPF day cream. This one is part of the Time Wise set. And we're going to put our sunscreen, our day cream, SPF 30, hydrates for 12 hours. We're just going to put that on there, protect the skin once we've cleansed it. And then we want to use our primer. So our primer also has SPF, as well as the CC cream, which is a color correcting foundation. So we're going to put a little bit of primer on there. Whoops. And then we're gonna put that nice over there. So like painting a canvas, this is going to prime your face, your canvas, before you start painting on it today. Okay, so here's what we got so far. And we're just gonna put some CC cream on. So I'm going to use my foundation brush. And we're gonna do like a little half puff because it's going on my hand, so we don't need that much. And then we're just going to go all over. So when you put your foundation on, you want to go in circles up and down. You want to make sure the pores are circle. So if you just go one way, you're kind of leaving half your pore open. So you can go back and forth, you can go circles, and you just want to make sure that you've covered your whole face nice and even. Okay, now we're going to use the foundation on our other hand, which I did not do our cleanser or Microderm abrasion or pore minimizer, and I did not use the day cream. So just on a bare face. This is like using it on a bare face. And go in a circle. Go up and down. And we did not also use, remember, our